Greetings and thank you for being a Virtual Capital Week Tier 1 exhibitor. It is now time to go to the Exhibitor Service Center. You should have received your username and password in your exhibit booth confirmation. If you did not receive it or encounter an issue logging in, please message us at exhibits@same.org. You can access the Exhibitor Service Center from our website, samecapweek.org. Click on the Service Centers and find the Exhibitor Service Center. Once you log into the Exhibitor Service Center, you can use the Exhibitor checklist to see all the tasks you need to complete for Virtual Capital Week. On the Directory and Demographics page, this is where you can add contact information, logos, company description, and other demographic questions. The Virtual Booth Builder page is where you can add your booth chat hours, documents and videos, press releases, and other online product showcases. The Booth Builder is at the top of the page under 2T Tier 1 Booth. Click on Add, and this will take you to the Booth Builder page. You can select the Add banners to the left to begin uploading your images. Graphic sizes are located in the Upload screen and are also located on the Documents tab. The graphics automatically save when you upload them, and you can preview your booth in the 2D preview back at the Exhibitor Service Center. I'm going to show you quickly how to upload a document. If you have a document that is bigger, you can use the scroll bar to select where you would like to place it and confirm. And once you save it, it is automatically uploaded. You do not have to save anywhere else. We've included tips and tricks, as well as documents in the Exhibitor Service Center that will help you navigate uploading your information to the booth. We hope you have found this helpful. If you need assistance or have any questions in preparing your booth, please contact us at exhibits@same.org. Thank you and have a great day.